So today I'm going to show you our products feature. So how you get into that is by going up to the cog and into products here. So you can see we have a list here of a load of different products and their prices and all that kind of stuff. So where we've gotten this information from is when we extract table items, line items from invoices, and you have products switched on your InShip package, and they'll come in here, and you'll then see the product code, and this product name here is the description that we've gotten from the invoice. And this is the unit price that we've extracted from the invoice. This is the supplier code, so 783. We've gotten that from when you've imported your suppliers onto your InShip account. And then you have previous and last seen. So last seen is the last time we've seen that on an invoice, and then the time before that. Regular item is if you were using our PO module to create purchase orders within InShip to send to your suppliers. If you have these ticked, then you can create what's called a template PO. And we'll grab any of the items that you have a tick beside here for regular item and compile them into a purchase order for you straight away to save you having to go in and manually select what items you want from this list. And then you have price watch, so you can see we have price watch switched on all of these here, and I'll show you how price watch works now in a moment. Does that all make sense? Do you have any questions?
Yeah, that makes sense. And what's that cloud icon in the top right?
So when you click on this, you can see it says download product file.
Yeah.
So when you click on this, you get this pop-up here. So you can do it by a date range, or you can just click on generate CSVs for all suppliers. So when you click on generate CSV for all suppliers, you'll get a CSV file downloaded onto your computer, and then it will look kind of like this. So it gives you the product code and the product name, the price, if there's a nominal ledger assigned to the product, supplier's code, accounts package code, the first time we've seen it, the last time we've seen it, and if price watch is switched on for that product or not.
Okay.
So how you can turn products on is if you go into the cog and then company settings. It's in package and add-ons. And you can see I have it switched on already here, but the second one down under add-ons is products. So you just need to make sure that toggle is switched on if you want to use, if you want to be able to use our products feature.